Hey guys, so I'm back to another quick form video. In this video is going to be a very short video just talking about which phones you will need to purchase to be able to use the new expanded data network that Boost Mobile is going to be offering everybody very soon. I believe it's going to launch actually in this month. It is actually has launched already in some select markets, and we'll talk about that. So like I said, I know I've covered this topic before, but it's just going to be to the point of just going to which phones you'll need. That way people can find this video a lot faster. And if you want to support the channel, you can download Honey. It's a free web extension that finds the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Boost Mobile, Best Buy, Amazon, Walmart, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic to save even more. All that will be in the description below and all that stuff. So let's get to it, guys. You scroll down here, this through Boost Mobile's website, and you'll see here stronger signal, faster speeds, more coverage, step up to the new upgraded network. That's what we're talking about today. So very big news. This basically will let Boost Mobile customers use the T-Mobile network. So it does depend if you have better coverage with T-Mobile or Sprint. The Sprint network is a little bit lacking, and of course T-Mobile does have a little bit better network. So this is a good test to see how this works and to find out, but like I said, you will need a compatible phone before you can even access the network. And the select locations are right now Colorado and select locations, Kansas area, Pittsburgh area, and then of course Texas with select areas. So of course it's gonna, at least from what my knowledge is, what people have told me and what I've read, the network should be launching or expanding even more to later this month. So I'm ready. I think I heard the 19th they're going to be launching even more locations. So it's going to be kind of cool to see. So of course you will need a SIM card. That's another thing you will need is a SIM card, guys. It's so you will need a special SIM card. You will have to go to a store to get it. At least what it's saying, you have to go into a store, but I'm pretty sure if you probably call customer service, you will be able to get one. So it's gonna be cool to find out. So yeah. And then of course here are the phones that are only compatible with this network. Like I said, not all Boost Mobile phones have it. So if you have an older Boost Mobile phone or one that's not on this list, it will not work with this. And I'm pretty sure more will, they'll expand this list later on as time goes. So right now it's going to be the new LG K51, which I actually ordered already. I'm waiting for it to come in the mail. The LG Stylo 5X, the Moto E6, the Moto G7 Play, the Samsung Galaxy A10e, and the Samsung Galaxy A20. BYOD devices do not currently work on this. And like I said, even if you purchase one of these phones, you will have to get a SIM card, because I believe they have to check and make sure, you can take advantage of this, at least for now. That might change later on. So it's pretty cool. Then you can check your coverage and all that stuff. So, those are the phones that are currently compatible. And like I said, you will need a special SIM card. So go to your local store. With all this COVID-19 stuff going on, I don't know how they'll do it. Maybe, like I said, they'll ship you one out. So it's pretty cool. I want to test it out, and hopefully it comes in my area so I can make videos on it. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Like I said, there's a quick little video. Thank you so much, and have a nice day.